attractive. I get everything I want cause I attract it. Looking at my phone, but I'm trying to just.
You got a fast car like Tracy Chapman. You can cruise with this rap star. The mink order.
Good morning, good morning. On my way to the vape store. Alright, let's go in. I know she cold as hell. She ain't got nothing on. It's like 28 degrees. Tripping. Hey y'all, so today we're going to be putting together this drying rack by Whitmore, bringing organization to home, conveniently air dries, delicate indoors, provides 25 feet of drying space, easy assemble tools required. That's what it says there. That's the drying rack. I have a washer and dryer as well, but some stuff I don't dry, so this comes in handy for that. So I have this little tool, 30-piece set that I got from Roses. It's by R.R. Smith's Tools. It has 12 sockets and Metro sockets with holders, 12 assorted slotted Phillips Torx hex tips with holders. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. That's the back and that's the front. So I'm gonna get started, so just watch your girl do her thing. Up to, let's see, let me turn it around. Good, nice little angle. Let's see me here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. Alright, so I'm just opening up this pack right now. Right here. And it has this little thing right here. I don't know. Maybe once I put has like 1, 2 little dots. I don't know what you do with that. I'll see once I put the pieces on. So I'm gonna be using these right here. One of these, whichever one that that it needs, I guess. I don't know if it need these or those or whichever one, but we'll see in a second. And I believe do I need one of these, or does this just fit in here? Let's see. This might just fit in here. All right, let me get the pieces out. That's the instructions. I hope this is easy, because not a lot of screws. I only got like 1, 2, like 5. Looks like 5 screws. It might be easy. It might not even be hard. I'm gonna lay everything out. Probably gonna put you guys on the floor. I'm not sure. So there's that. Something fell out. It says toll free, so all right, so the first piece guess it's these right here. These two sides. This is part C. And this is part B. This is part B. And this is part C. It look like y'all still can't see. I don't think it's gonna stand up anyway, so you don't need to pull it. Alright, so begin with the right side frame. C. Place it on a hard, flat surface like the floor. Push 11 hanging bars into the plastic connectors in the side frame. Okay. So it says do C. Pull this out like so. Okay. And these are the, all of these are letter A's. So I just put all of these in here. I guess it don't matter what end. Put those in here. And happy Monday, you guys. I forgot to say happy Monday. And for those of you all that are new to my channel, I am Pretty Girl Slay by Tashay. I have a boutique, Pretty Girl Slay Boutique. And I'm the owner of Pretty Girl Slay Boutique. And thank you for coming to my channel. I hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. You know. Oh, wait a minute. I gotta turn that around. Because I do different things on my channel. My channel is beauty. My channel is fashion. My channel is crafting. My channel is business, you know, shopping, cooking, whatever. It's some of everything, but you know, mostly you'll see me in a boutique, packing orders, talking about orders, stuff like that. But we're gonna start getting into some new stuff soon. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start. Alright, so next is step 2. Place the left side frame onto each hanging bar. B. I gotta put this on top. I don't know if you can see that, man. Now I gotta move it up. Now you can see. Alright, does it go a specific way, or I think this gotta go down this end? Oh, yeah. Yeah, because this is probably gonna be the bottom. Hold on. Oh no, wait a minute. How did this go? Shoot. I don't know. Wait a minute, it look a little funny here. Maybe I ain't do that part right. It's 1, 2, 3. This is 3. No, then I got another one over here for 4. Maybe this go. Let me just do it and see what happens. I don't know. It's gonna seem weird anyway because these things push down. That's okay. I didn't know that. Okay. All right. Wait a minute now. Let me see. I gotta open it more. What I gotta do? What is it? I don't know what I did wrong. I don't want to go over there to where them other ones is at. Shoot. Oh, let's go out. No. I think this got a clip into that. Do this clip. Let's go into here. No. Here. I might got it now. I think this will go there like that or something. Let's go here. This supposed to clip. Oh, oh, okay. When I did step A, I was supposed to put some screws in. Where the screws go? D. Screws. Secure center bars with 3 screws. Okay. So let's take this out. Oh, sometimes we are so bad at reading instructions. We just so quick to put stuff together and ain't do the main things we supposed to do, right? I was just trying to slap that thing up there. And that's not even how it go. Alright, so. Alright, where's the screws? I got the screws. So here we go with the screws. Figure out which one is gonna fit in these. I think this one should fit. Let's see. This one should do it. Yep. I think this is perfect for it. Yeah, so that's just going in like that. If I never used this. And voila. So now I gotta figure out where the screw go. Now it says from the picture. I think it goes on wherever the little openings is, maybe. 1, 2. It says 1 of C's. Wait, what's a C? C. That's B. Oh, this is C. D, D. I need 3. It says I need 3. 1, 2, 3. I guess that goes on the end over there. And I guess I gotta put 3. I'm gonna do this without falling. Everything falling out. Let's see. Let's lay it down. So these little sticks got holes in it. Oh yeah, they do. They got little holes in the bottom. Okay. So that screw gonna go right up in that hole, I guess. Alright. So you gotta put this little screw in here. You can see that? It's right there. There we go. This thing is spinning around while I'm trying to put it in. How they expect you to do this? And it spins around. Ugh. It's difficult. Trying to hold this. This is going to be the hard part about it. Because the stupid stick thing is spinning every time I'm trying to hold it. Y'all see me? It's slippery. I don't think it's... Is it all the way in here? Okay, I guess it is. Alright, I'm going to do too much. I don't want to break it. So we just come through this. 1, 2. So 2 more right here, I'm assuming. Yeah. Okay, I guess I didn't. Guess I ain't have to. Oh wait, this seems like it's loose. This screw. This one loose. That one ain't loose. I think it gotta go in. Hold on. Come out. Come back out, honey. Cause I think it gotta go in this thing. That won't come out. What in the world? This one. Like I said, it's no way. Hold on. Stick that in there and push it in like that. It keeps turning. Hurt my damn hand. Trying to show that women could do this stuff too. Not just a man, you know? Shoot. This one is still wobbly and stuff. Like this screw. And then when I'm trying to take it out, it ain't coming out. It's wobbly though, you could tell. It's loose there, it ain't doing nothing. Let me see if I can push it out this way. It is. Nope, it ain't coming out. Hold on. Nope. I don't know. this back in. Let me try again. Okay, now that one is tighter. This one is still a little bit loose though. Hold on. Okay, I pushed it out. This one is turning. No, staying. So. I'm gonna have to tighten that up once that top part is up there. I don't know. Shit is annoying. Spinning too. It's annoying. All right, we're gonna say that that's that. Now, stand this thing up. This one is so loose. I don't know. Okay, let's stand this up because this thing is gonna give me a headache. I'm not gonna let this little wooden thing give me no headache. All right. Next it says, place left side frame onto hanging bar. Push into place just like the right side was done. Secure hanging bars with 3 screws. So these are the hanging bars with 3 screws. This is not a good picture. Okay, the last one. So I see they got it like, hold on. It's like, in the picture, it's like all the way like this. So I probably gotta open it up more. Okay. So 1, 2, three, basically three goes into the slot. 1, 2, 3. All right. One, two, three, like that. It's one, two. Looks like my camera is a little foggy there. So there we go. Oh my God, the whole time it was foggy. I'm so sorry, y'all. Alright, here we go. Put this. I should have checked that out before I kept going. I knew something looked at a little bit foggy. I'm more concerned with getting this thing together. I know that's gonna look crappy in the video. Gotta be careful with this thing, cause this that little wood thing is kind of cheapy. Yeah, carefully putting it together anyway. I don't know about once it's assembled, but okay, that's that. Alright, so it says I gotta put what in there? What is that? What is that? I put 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. On the other side. And then after that, what? So, hold on 1 second. I do the sides. I think I did this side already. I just gotta do that other side. But at the top, since I did the bottom already. Or do I do the middle? Because it is pointing to the middle. 1, 2, 3 in the middle. This is confusing. Very confusing. This snaps on here like that. Oh no, hold on. Okay, let's go together. Just snap on here, hold on. Supposed to go. And I guess I'll put the 3 screws at the top of there. Alright. That's what we gonna do. Cause I put 3 on the bottom one side, but that's it. Ain't no more screws. Supposed to hold everything up. Okay. That's what they say. Unless I was supposed to put the 3 screws on the bottom. I did it wrong. I hope this thing don't fall apart. Because this is looking like I did this wrong. Because that other side ain't going to have no screws. I was supposed to put them. I was supposed to put them on the other middle side. But the way they was pointing to it, it looked like it was supposed to go on the end. Lord, I gotta try to get them screws out. Or see if I got some more screws. They should have gave more screws anyway, so you could just put all the screws in the little holes. I wonder why them other side was giving me a hard time. I might have some of these screws like this. I could fill it in the middle. I just messed this thing up. I ain't mess it up, but I put the screws in the wrong place. I don't know, this thing might come tumbling down if it ain't on the sides like it's supposed to be. This ain't even got no hole. You gotta make a hole. See no hole in there? Oh my god. Those had like you was able to just slide that right in there. This one ain't nothing. The phone done fell. How long this phone done fell? How long this phone done fell? I didn't even know it was on the ground. Probably been fell. I pay attention to the phone and working. Ain't no hole in here. What the? I'm gonna put this screw on the other side because I need one over there anyway. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take that. What's the name out? Over here. Put it in here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the top. This is the bottom. I gotta put I gotta clip these in. Hold on a second. On the outside or inside? Hold on. Go on the outside, I believe. Right there. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, don't want to come out. Okay, hold on. You gotta go on the inside, I believe. Like this. Or should it go on the outside? Hold on. I think the outside. Go ahead. That'll go. There we go. So we got it all built. Just can't be rough on this thing, you know. But it's all built. I can hang my clothes up on there. I got a couple of wet items. I'm gonna hang on here and bring y'all into my kitchen so y'all can see. Okay, here we go. Let me turn it. Here we go. That's the top. That's the bottom. That's the sides. All right, bring y'all on here. Yeah, I didn't even think it was gonna be this tall. Didn't think so. So here we go. This is as good as it's gonna get for y'all to see. But yeah, so I just got a couple of shirts. They almost dry because I just sat them on that chair. But so I'm gonna put this one in the back. Let that hang out. I got some more stuff that's in a wash that I gotta take out, and I ain't even touched yet, but this is just to show you a couple of things on here. And you can move it over, make room for other stuff if you got something that could fit next to it. So that's that. Turn this around. That's my little folding rack. Okay. It's super cute. A lot of room for different things. And it's going to serve its purpose. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. Excuse the mess all on that table. This stuff gotta go. Some of this stuff gotta go in a boutique. And I'll be remodeling my kitchen soon. Cabinets, stuff like that. Stay tuned for that. Appreciate you guys for watching. Even though I was struggling building that, but it's all good. Hey, it could show you that women could do things too, honey. Yes, yes, yes. We know how to do stuff too. Okay? You just saying you don't give up. You just keep going until you get it. And that's what you do. That's what I did. I wasn't 100% perfect, but I kept going and I got it. All right, so y'all be blessed, and I'll check y'all in the next video. Peace.